Hey guys, it's Diane. Welcome back to my channel. So if you notice that my makeup is exactly the same as last week's video, is because I have actually decided to continue filming because so sayang to remove this makeup, okay? I didn't have any intentions of filming this video, but then I thought to myself, let's just do it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all of my March favorites. Actually, this is the combination of both February and March favorites because I didn't have the time to film a February favorites. So let's get on with it. The very first item that I want to talk about is a primer, and this is from Hourglass. This is the Mineral Veil Primer, I believe that's what it's called. And oh my god guys, this is such a brilliant primer. It's unfortunate that I have it only in a very small size, and I believe that this is only in 8.9 ml, but god, this is so expensive. Okay, I've had this for probably more than a year, but it's only recently I have started using it because I initially did not see or understand the hype about this. I just don't understand. Not really a fan of a texture. When I tried it at the back of my hand, decided to get it but never touched it until February, I think. They said that the NYX primer, which I can't remember the name of it, it is the dupe for this. I disagree. That is just meh, but this is so brilliant. Because of the price factor, I normally just leave this on days where I know that I have to have my makeup for an extended period of time, and also because of the fact that I know this is very expensive and I am already I'm already done with this much, so I'm only left with almost half of it. So I'll just use this on days where, you know, where I think I need it. So this is really great, and I can finally understand the hype about this. This product is something that I guess you guys have actually seen quite a number of times in my video, and it would have to be my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Why do I say powder? I've been using this to set my foundation and concealer, and I kind of like it because it does make my skin mattify after I've dusted. It does not clog. I don't think it clogs my pores whatsoever. It's pretty inexpensive. You can get it from any Watsons that carries Rimmel, and I'm actually using it in transparent, so this is a really good product. I don't really like the packaging of it though, but it's okay. I have nothing much to complain apart from that. So I have two concealers to talk about, simply because I am almost done with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm not sure whether I even want to repurchase, because I don't know, I have to do it online and I only have to do it at the Tarte's website itself, and that is dangerous because I may end up buying more items. So I try to make use of all of the items that I really have in my current collection, and the first one is actually the one from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Concealer in 20 Cent. I got mine while I was in Perth last year, and I am already left with this much. There are a few online sellers or blog sellers here in Singapore which sells this at a pretty reasonable price. I normally like to use this for the under eye area. I feel that it's really nice to blend. At the same time, it covers all of the darkness that I have over there. Next concealer is the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream, and mine is in M25 Warm, and I really like this actually. I feel that this is the closest that I have in my collection right now to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I feel that this is a pretty heavy duty concealer. It covers up really well and it's creamy, easy to blend. I like that it has a very wide range of shades to choose from, and of course I got mine a yellow based one. I have tried using this under my eye. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just that it's a little bit thick, and for those of you who prefers a thicker concealer for your under eye area, you may want to opt for this as well. Something that I never thought that I would ever talk about in any of my favorites video would actually be a highlighter. So this is from the Balm. This is the Mary Louminizer. I've had this for quite a while now, but recently I have seen myself reaching out for this a lot, and not to highlight these places because I still am not a fan of highlighting on my cheekbones. I mean, of course right now I have it just because I have just finished doing this look, but on an everyday basis, normally I'll just use any of my fingers and I'll just barely tap it, and then I'll put it at the tip of my nose, just like that. This technique kind of creates an illusion of pointier nose, because you know I don't have very small nose, I have a very large nose, so I have to make an illusion and I have to use makeup for that. So I kind of like doing that, and sometimes I do run it along here as well. So it kind of makes an illusion of narrower nose. And I like this. I really like it. The color is nice. It's not glittery at all. I mean, it's a highlighter, but there's no glitters in it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, something which I just got as a birthday present like a couple of weeks ago actually is actually this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, which my cousin Resha got for me, and I'm happy, so happy, like oh my god. Okay, I have not put this down ever since I got it. Like every single day after I've applied my matte eyeshadows from the original Tartelette palette, I will definitely grab any one of these colors and just apply it at the center of my lids. And particularly, I have been kind of obsessed with these two shades over here. These two shades over here, especially this bronzy one, I love it. Like it's like a bronzy gold color, which is so pretty. Look, just look at it. You can't really see, I think it's because of the lighting and all, but it's so gorgeous. I love it. I just love it as an eyelid topper. Gorgeous. Okay, an eyeshadow palette that I can't seem to put down as well is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. And for those of you who are wondering, I actually bought this from the Morphe website itself together with a few other items, and I love it, guys. It's like the eyeshadow palette that you need in your life. Whatever color that you want for an everyday shade, it's all in here. And just in case if you're wondering, all of the eyeshadows that I have on my eyes right now are from this palette. And if you have not watched my video last week, please do go and watch it after this. Okay, after this. I love it so much. Wait, I think I've talked about this in my January favorites, is it? But I am still in love with this, and I don't only use this for myself. Every day, every time, every single time whenever I go for a makeup assignment or for my clients, I will definitely bring this palette along. It is a really good palette. It's worth every single dollar of your money, or my money in this case. It's so good. Like, it's so versatile. You can create any types of looks, really. So enough of all of the makeup products. I'm going to move on to body and hair right now. As for hair, I do have this Diane Scalp Essence Mist Type Extra Fresh and Hydrate. Okay, I'm not very sure about you guys. I know that some people actually like to wash their hair every day. But not for me. I don't wash my hair every day, but I do use this to hydrate and freshen up my scalp. I'll just spray, and then using my fingers, I'll just like massage the product just to like sort of spread it out. It smells fresh. It has a really nice minty smell. So for those of you who don't like anything minty, you may not like this, but I just love the like a minty cooling sensation that it gives whenever I spray it on my scalp. I love it so much. You can get this from Watsons, that's where I got it. Then I also have this product from Bath & Body Works, another birthday present from my friend Hidayah. She bought for me like a gift set from Bath & Body Works, and I am so happy she did because I love the smell of the items. This is the stress relief. I mean, it has nothing got to do with like stressing out or whatever, but I just love the smell of this. This is a mixture of eucalyptus and spearmint, and oh my god, the smell itself is so relaxing, guys. It's so relaxing. I remember that every time whenever I enter Bath & Body Works, I will definitely head to the candles section. I'm not sure whether you guys remember this. If you have followed me for a really long time, or like since a few years back, I have always been a fan of candles. But ever since I have a cat, since 2015, I have totally stopped buying candles because you know how cats are like, right? They like to jump here, jump there and all. So I avoid buying candles. So I normally buy the wall plugs instead. So I'm not sure whether the wall plug actually has this scent. I mean, if they do, I will definitely get it. I will try to go and look out for it from Bath & Body Works any one of these days. Oh my god, which I don't think I can because I just bought another like a few items from Bath & Body Works. All of it are from the Stress Relief line, and I just love the smell so much. I normally apply this, and I do have the shower gel as well, which Hidayah got for me as well, but I'm kind of a bit lazy to like, you know, go to the toilet and get it, but you get the idea. So basically everything from the Stress Relief line from Bath & Body Works, I love them. So when I take a shower, I'll actually use the shower gel, and after I'm done, I will just slather this all over my body, and it just smells like heaven. The smell itself just makes me relax, like unwind after a long tiring day. and I just love it so much. Okay guys, so that has been a pretty short favorites video. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed watching. So if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more contents from me, and just shout out again to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing.